Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you AutoCAD course, Civil, Mechanical, Electrical. What you'll learn. The AutoCAD course contains a detailed explanation of AutoCAD commands and their applications to solve drafting and design problems. In this course, every AutoCAD command is thoroughly explained with the help of examples and illustrations. This makes it easy for the users to understand the functions of the tools and their applications in the drawing. After finishing this course, the user will be able to use AutoCAD commands to make a drawing, dimension a drawing, apply constraints to sketches, insert symbols as well as create text, blocks and dynamic blocks. The course also covers basic drafting and design concepts such as dimensioning principles and assembly drawings that equip the users with the essential drafting skills to solve the drawing problems in AutoCAD. Benefits of AutoCAD. Accurate and reduces errors, save time money, easier data transfer, controllable in nature, database for manufacturing, easier import-export of files, apply point clouds, layering feature. Is AutoCAD good for future? In the future, AutoCAD will be used in a variety of different ways. It will be used to create more efficient and complex designs, reduce costs, streamline processes, and create more realistic and immersive experiences. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.